Okay, so it is actually as freaking miserable as you could ever believe. We have finished the time section and now we're just going to the finish. It is miserable. There's not many very happy bike riders. Probably going to die here. Nope, we're okay, so thank you, sir. I hope you can see this. It's very, very wet. Thank you, ma'am. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm trying to paint a good picture, but it is not a good picture. Thank you, sir. So here we are. No, not far now. Hell, it's close. Okay, here we go. Almost to the finish. Thank you. I suspect this is Weehawken. The weather's horrible. It's 11 degrees. We're up over 200 k's now. We biked to the start this morning. We're biking to the finish now. GRAN FONDO, what an amazing event. The police stopped